coming from every part of the state.
Good evening, everyone. To all the respected fathers, brothers, members of the institution which I have myself been associated with, Don Bosco. To all the leaders, teachers who are present here in the auditorium, to the sisters, and more importantly to all my young Tiprasas. Let me start by saying something. I love you. I love you. No leader, no king, no teacher, no mother, no father can call themselves great if they don't have one quality. And that is the ability to love your people. And you don't become a Bubagra if a Bubagra does not love his own Tiprasa people. Love can have different emotions. I can love you, yet I can scold you. I can love you, yet I can cry for you. I can love you, and yet I will always fight for you. But if you have true love in your heart, you will always fight for all of you all here. Just now, Father Dalong, you spoke. You spoke about humility. You spoke about how in such a short time I was invited for this program. Humility has different meanings. What is the opposite of humility? Ego, ahankar, proud, arrogant. So, when the young man who is a student of St. Xavier's, Suraj, he spoke about his classroom being there. There is one thing that we should always remember. अगर आप अपने आप को लीडर बोलते हो तो सबसे पहले अहंकार को दरवाजा के अंदर बंद कर दो. अपने लोगों को प्यार करो. Love your people. And if you love your people, if you love your children, if you love your young generation, if you love your students, then you don't need to fear anybody. You are all children of the God. And if I am fighting for the future of my Tiprasa Sikla Sikli, then I am fighting on the path of God. And I know that if I am standing up for my next generation, you all are Gen Z. If I am fighting for you, then I am fighting for God. And when you are fighting on the side of the truth, your Bubagra cannot lose because Bubagra is fighting your fight. You know, fear, Kriya. What is fear? Dar. Somebody calls it dull, somebody calls it fear, somebody calls it kriya. These are all words which is meant to suppress all of you all. आपको नीचे रखने के लिए many people will say many things. Not only young people, even teachers, the minorities in this country. But it is the part of the God to say that you stand with the poor, with the helpless, to stand for the ones who cannot speak, to stand for one who cannot have the ability to rise, to help those who are poor, who are weak, who do not have their rights, to help the next generation. That is the path chosen by God. Your God may be different. Somebody may call it Jesus, somebody may call it Ram, somebody may call it Buddha, somebody may call it Allah. But God is one. And no God tells you not to fight for those who have been discriminated. Today, when your Bubagra speaks, there are many people who oppose me. Father, very powerful people. Very powerful people oppose Bubagra. But can I say something in front of the camera? Very powerful लोग बुबागरा को चुप करने का कोशिश करता है. Today, can I say, ये लोग, these people are powerful today, but you students will be powerful tomorrow. सूरज आप लोग बोल रहे हैं ना पॉलिटिकल को, कुछ पॉलिटिक्स नहीं चाहिए. ये लोग है ना हम लोग का संग. आज ये लोग पावरफुल है, कल हमारा बच्चा लोग पावरफुल होगा, तब आज का पावरफुल लोगों को मालूम पड़ेगा द पावर ऑफ द यूथ. बट पावर के साथ रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी आना चाहिए. स्टडी वेल. आपके मां बाप के पास शिक्षा नहीं था. They did not have education. That's why today Tiprasa is in this condition. But today, if you can study well, if you can do well in your studies, tomorrow you will not have to suffer what your mother, your grandfather, your grandmother, your father suffered. So, when we say about Thansa, what is Thansa? Thansa is also loving each other. Your friends, यहां में जो आप लोग का दोस्त है ना, ये आपका असली दोस्त है. When I was young, मेरे पास 20 फ्रेंड्स था स्कूल में in Shillong. When I went to college, I had 15 friends, 15. आज 4-5 फ्रेंड्स. लेकिन जो फ्रेंड्स मैंने स्कूल में बनाया, जो कॉलेज में बनाया, वो आज भी मेरा सच्चा दोस्त है. वो राजा देखकर मुझसे दोस्ती नहीं किया. उसने दोस्ती नहीं किया because I was king. They were my friends because they liked me. So the friends you have today are your genuine friends. My friends in school still don't call me Bubagra, they call me Pradyot. They do not touch my feet, but they touch my heart because they love me as a human being, not because where I was born. So I want to tell all you students here today, you want to be successful? आपको successful बनना है कि नहीं? Success is not only becoming doctor, engineer, teacher, lawyer. politician. You can be a footballer and be successful also. You can be a cricketer like Virat Kohli and become successful also. You can be a singer and become successful also. You can be a dancer and become a success also. You want to be successful? Then in life, जिंदगी में सक्सेसफुल होना है तो आपका दुश्मन कौन है वो आप मत देखो, आपका असली दोस्त कौन है उसको पहचानो। जो असली दोस्त है उसको समझो। एंड योर ट्रू फ्रेंड इज राइट नेक्स्ट टू ईच अदर। दिस इज योर ट्रू फ्रेंड। व्हाट इज थानसा? Are you Darlong? Are you Ranglong? Are you Jamatya? Are you Deparma? Are you Tripura? Are you Riang? Are you Uchoy? Are you Murasing? Are you Rangkol? Are you Chakma? Are you Mong? Koloi? No. You are Hani Busa. You are Tiprasa. You are Tiprajak. And Thansa means sticking together, fighting together, united together. Don't fight with each other. Fight together. Don't fight with each other. Fight together. Don't think you are Catholic, Baptist, Christian, Hindu, Buddhist. Think you are Tiprasa. Believe you are Tiprasa. And be together. ठीक हो सका? अगेन, आज पावर उनके पास है, कल पावर हमारे पास होगा। मैं फिर से रिपीट करता हूं, आज पावर उनके पास है, कल पावर हमारा टाइम आएगा। ये दिल मांगे, पाप नहीं कर रहा हूं, आपके लिए फाइट करके अपना गरीब लोगों को कुछ दिया तो अगर उसके लिए जेल जाना है तो जाएंगे, लेकिन मैं भी आपका उम्र का था, आई वॉज योर एज। मैं हमेशा बोलता था ये दिल मांगे, मोर बोलने में जेल में डालोगे तो मोर बोलूंगा। यू नो, जब आप लोग बोलता है हमारा टाइम आएगा, ये टाइम आपका टाइम आएगा। फिर से बोलो, आपका टाइम। मेरा यहां में मेरा बाल खड़ा हो गया। कैमरा वहां में करो ना थोड़ा सा। हमारा टाइम, यही मेरा सपना है। दिस इज माई ड्रीम। एक्चुअली माई ड्रीम इज नॉट टू बिकम एन MLA, मिनिस्टर, MP. नो, दिस फादर, ये मेरा सपना। दिस इज माई ड्रीम, टू सी माई यंग, ब्यूटिफुल, स्मार्ट Tiprasas, Tiprajaks come up. And if I am fighting the good fight, like you spoke about a shepherd, then God will have a place for me in heaven when I die. And that place will not be because I was born a son of a king or I lived in a palace, but I truly believe in helping those who needed to be helped. I learned that in school. I learned that in college. And to those, Father, again, who hate us, who don't like us, who judge us, another thing I learned, I forgive them. Because only those who have the ability to forgive have ability to climb up in life. Hatred, nafrat. Oh, Suraj, can you get me the bottle of water? I'll show you an example. Teachers are there also. Teachers, I'm hurting. इसका क्या weight होगा? Less than 500 gram? 500 ml? कितना वजन होगा? Less than 500, 250 grams, 300 grams. If I इसको मैं ऐसा 1 मिनट रखूं ना, कुछ नहीं होगा. इसको मैं 1 घंटा, 1 hour, इसको मैं ऐसा उठा के रखूं ना, my hand will become tired. If I keep this for 5 hours, holding like this, I'll get headache. And if I keep this holding for 24 hours, एक दिन, I will fall ill, बीमार हो जाऊंगा. टेंशन भी वही है, नफरत भी वही है. अगर आप 1 मिनट नफरत को पकड़ के रखो, नो प्रॉब्लम. 1 घंटा पकड़ के रखो, आपको थोड़ा सा प्रॉब्लम होगा. 6 घंटा पकड़ के रखो, आप बीमार हो जाएगा. पूरा दिन रखो, हॉस्पिटल में चले जाओ. तो टेंशन नहीं लेने का, स्ट्रेस नहीं लेने का. नफरत, हेट्रेड, एंगर नहीं करने का. टेंशन देने का, टेंशन उनको देने का. एक दूसरे के बीच में डोंट फाइट. लव ईच अदर. Love each other, be united, be Thansa. That is the medicine for tomorrow. And I want to tell you, Aj, Father, you invited me here. I studied in Shillong, Catholic school. Many people said, "Arey, Catholic school mein, then what did they teach you? Did they give you beef?" I said, "No." "Did you go to puja?" I said, "Yes." "Did they teach you about Jesus?" I said, "Yes, but they taught me about Buddha also. They taught me about Mahabharata also." Then they said, "What did they teach you that we did not teach you?" I said, "They taught me how to love each other." My dear friend, what you are telling me now is to hate someone. If you are educated, you will never tell me to hate anyone. What you are telling me is to find a difference. There is nothing to be found. So, your biggest supporter today in Tripura, in Northeast, is standing in front of you. And support sometimes does not happen from your own. Support happens from someone who understands you. I understand the values of being a good human being. Politics is not important, Suraj. Politics is which has divided us. These children do not vote, so they are all friends. Tomorrow, when they become 18, they will be told to choose. And if my friend votes for somebody else and this friend votes for somebody else, they become enemies. Actually, politics has divided the youngsters. Today, they are not divided because they do not vote. So who has divided them? Politics has divided them. And my aim is कि politics को पीछे रखो पहिला जाति करो उलो पार्टी करो We the Bukumbara people of Tripura Narbum उनको बुकुम्बारा है ठीक है they want to control us हमको कंट्रोल कर सकता है only principle can control us only principle can control us and how can principle control us by loving us you have very good teachers you have very good fathers and brothers and our sisters here I appeal to you all learn from them listen to them and slowly by slowly become a winner and if you want to be a leader as I said whether it is football anyone likes mixed martial arts MMA boxing badminton sports music I saw you all dance here now you can become winners everywhere but to win you need to have a winning mentality I am very happy that you all invited me here truly मैं सच में I am very happy and father I don't need an invitation card to come to Don Bosco Institution you invite only those who are not yours right जो अपना है उसको निमंत्रण देने का दरकार नहीं पड़ता so just a WhatsApp is also good enough father no need to do all the tamasha पूरा फरमान पत्र निकाल के पुराना जमाना में I will come whenever I have a chance I will help you I just found out that you have in Kanchanpur side in where was it Gasirampara I'll come there father where is yours Depachora Gasirampara Pitra you invite me I will come and I'll come not as a politician I will come as your Bubagra your friend your fighter your warrior I will come and my only two requests सिर्फ 2 रिक्वेस्ट है आपका वोट नहीं चाहिए कुछ नहीं चाहिए आपका थानसा चाहिए और you should love each other believe have faith have belief have faith and have love God has something planned for you God has something planned for you there is God and He has planned something for all of us but we can only be successful if we follow the word of God and that is love humanity God bless you all belai belai no hambai kulum kha hor kaham and just take one finger one hand and do this